Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to another video where we are doing question 36, which is this funky Venn diagram question. So it says a PE test has two sections, theory and practical. Everyone in a class who took the PE test passed at least one section. So that's good. No one was left out. Everyone passed at least something. 62% passed the theory section and 83% passed the practical section. Represent this information on a Venn diagram. Okay. So let's draw our circles, I guess. So let's draw that. Nice circle there. Let's draw another circle. There we go. That's okay. So we've got the theory side and we've got the practical side. Okay. Let's put this bit in red. Okay, so you've got that part. Now, it says that 62% passed the theory. That means that if 62% passed the theory, so 62% pass theory, that means that 38%, just doing 100% minus 62%, P complement, did not pass theory. Now, we know that that must belong to the people. Oh, did I say theory? Yeah, I was meant to put T. Theory begins with a T. My goodness. There we go. Like that. And this little dash means complement. So that means that 38% of people did not pass theory, but we know that everyone passed at least one section. So that means that 38% goes here. Right? We know there's nothing outside here because everyone passed at least one section. So on the outside, there's nothing there. Okay? And equally, we know that 83% of people passed the practical section. That means that the whole circle for practical must add up to 83. So if I do 83, take away 38, funny that they're backwards. 3 take away 8. So 7, 13 take away 8 equals 5. 7 take away 3 is equal to 4. So this bit's going to have to be 45. Okay, and then, so that's 45%. And then equally, we know that, well, 62% of people passed the theory. So the whole circle for theory must add up to 62. So we've already got this bit that's 45, which means that we need the rest of that to make 62. So that's going to be 17. Yeah, that works. Okay. Next, a student is selected at random. Work out the probability that this person passed the theory section given that they passed the practical section. So this given bit is very, very important. Since we're given that they passed the practical section, well, basically that means that we now are considering the practical section as our full amount. So the number of people or the percentage that passed our practical is now our total. So in this case, the practical section represents 83. So it's 83 at the bottom. And, well, we can put the percent, I guess. Doesn't really make a difference with what we're going to do. And it says, work out the probability that they passed the theory section, given that they passed the practical section. So we can't look at this part because that's not in our circle of P. So we just leave that one out. So it's just going to be 45% over 83. Or basically just 45 over 83. There we go. And then next, work out the probability that they passed the practical section, given that they passed only one section. Okay, so again, this keyword given that they passed only one section. Well, what parts constitute only one section? Well, that's this part and this part. They're the bits where only one section was passed, right? This part, both sections were passed. So we're not interested in that part. So our total is 17 plus 38. So 17% plus 38% is our total at the bottom there. Okay, and they passed the practical section. Well, which part is practical? Well. We're not going to use this part because that's not in the sample space that we're considering. That part is not passing just one section, that is passing both. So the practical part is the 38%, so that is 38% up top. Now that becomes 38% divided by 17 plus 38 is going to be 38 plus 48, 55. Yep, 55%. So that is equal to 38 over 55, just like that. So that's our answer. That's it for this question, guys. Take care.